Hyperinsulinemia means high insulin levels. Please note that even if you are someone who has very clearly passed the fasting blood glucose test and the glucose tolerance test, you could be still high on your insulin levels. Your fasting sugar tells you nothing about your insulin levels, and your glucose tolerance test may also come normal because it's just checking your blood glucose level. It is not checking your insulin sensitivity. Most people who have hyperinsulinemia can easily pass these two tests and never realize that they are already pre-diabetic. They are just building up for it. Insulin responses can be very different in two different people. One must be producing the required amount of insulin, whereas one must be producing a whole lot of insulin to bring the glucose to the normal level. And still both of them will show normal on a glucose tolerance test, that is GTT. That is what I mean by insulin resistance. Glucose level that should have come to the normal range by getting a particular amount of insulin, now you need a whole huge amount of insulin to bring that glucose to the normal level. Insulin level starts going high, they start skyrocketing. That is when it can't keep up anymore and your pancreas start giving up. And now you start showing high glucose level in your bloodstream. So technically now you are a diabetic on your blood glucose reports. But you had been building up this condition since almost 10 years. How did you build this up? By eating too much of simple carbs, by eating too much of sugars, processed food, junk food, and a sedentary lifestyle, that is inactivity, sitting for most time of your day, not doing any exercise. Since your insulin levels were going high, you were already pre-diabetic. And you reach a point where your pancreas give up and they cannot produce insulin anymore, and then by papers you are a diabetic. Would you believe me if I said that you were hyperglycemic even when your fasting blood sugar was normal, your GTT, that is your glucose tolerance test, was normal, and your HbA1c was normal? When you have high insulin levels, you become a candidate for coronary artery disease, that is heart disease, such as myocardial infarction, massive heart attack. How does this happen? High insulin levels also means that you are low on your good cholesterol, that is your HDL cholesterol, and high on your bad cholesterol and your triglycerides. Eventually, it will start clogging up your arteries. There is plaque formation, leading to myocardial infarctions or heart attack. High insulin levels also affect your vision. It also causes cognitive decline, dementia, Alzheimer's, renal failure. That's why most diabetics end up with dialysis, because their kidneys give up. Hypertension or high BP, coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction, massive heart attacks, and also cancers. Well, I actually don't even need to see your reports to know whether you're hyperinsulinemic. I can just see you and tell you whether you are having this condition. Insulin gives you truncal obesity or on the abdominal region. So if you are someone who has a bulging belly and thin and slender hands and legs, then you are already hyperinsulinemic, which means that you also have low HDL cholesterol levels, high LDL cholesterol levels, and high triglyceride levels. You could also have hypertension, that is high BP, and probably high uric acid levels. If you are having these symptoms, that means you are already on your way of getting a cardiovascular disease. Eat healthy foods and have an active lifestyle. Save yourself from any sort of heart diseases. These can be reversed or at least managed with diet and lifestyle modification. Please get in touch to know more. Found this content useful? Share it.